Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, you'll be claiming two accounts. You'll be claiming a $25,000 free funded account that you can use to trade, and also a $25 no deposit bonus account that you can get started with trading without having to make any deposits, without having to do anything. All you have to do is just follow the step-by-step guide on how you can get started with this particular account. Just make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss out on how you can get started with the account. Now before I continue, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel and you're yet to subscribe, please do want to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on how you can make money online, how to get accounts, free funded account, forex account and profit account on this channel. Now to get started with this account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video to take you right to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, do well to join the channel so you don't miss out on the further update and information that you need to know concerning any particular account. Now once you get to the channel, after joining the channel, the next thing you want to do now is to click on the link that will bring you right to the interface where you'll be getting started to claim this account. Showing on the screen is the interface where you're going to get started with this account. As you all know, for us to get this particular account, we have to create an account with them. Now, this is the first step you are going to click on this particular account. This is the first step. I'm going to click on sign up since we don't have an account with them yet. You go ahead and click on sign up so we can create an account with them. After clicking on sign in, this right here will change up. So all you have to do is just put in your email and your password and you click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you have to go in to put in the code, check your email, get the code and input the code right here. So after doing that, the next thing you're going to do is to put in your details right here. You have to complete your profile. As you can see, you complete your profile, go ahead and click on prop account right here. Click on prop account. Then after that, you go ahead and click on next right showing on the screen. Go ahead and click on next right showing on the screen. Now, as you can see right here, this is what you have on your home page right here. This is what you have on your home page. So the next thing you're going to do now is to just click on leaderboard. You have to click on leaderboard right showing on this right down side. You click on leaderboard to go ahead and get this particular account. So I'm just going to click on leaderboard and we're on to the next step on how we can get this particular account. Now, as you can see right showing on the screen, this is what you have right here. All you have to do is just scroll down. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is how your home page will look like. Now you have to scroll down right showing on this part. You stop where you see rewards roadmap. This is where you're going to stop. Then after that, you have to click on show all 30 rewards. You click on show all 30 rewards. Then after that, you click on it. Then right here, you scroll down. You scroll down until you see your get free trading 25 select account. As you can see right here. As you can see, it's saying not available for all countries. So you can click for this not available for all countries to check the countries that are available for. As you can see right here, Nigeria is available. So all you have to do is just click on restricted countries. You see right showing on the screen. These are the restricted countries. As you can see right here, these are the restricted countries. And these are the countries that are eligible. As you can see, these are the countries that are eligible for this account. As you can see, Nigeria is eligible. So here we have lots of countries that are eligible for this particular account. And right here up are the ones that are restricted in getting this particular account. So that let's head to how we can get this account. So as you can see right showing on the screen, to get this particular account, all you need to do is to get a total of 1,750 points. As you can see right here, this is the point that you need to gather to be able to get this particular account. You have to unlock 1,750 points to unlock this particular $25,000 free profit account right showing on the screen. Now, how do you get this particular point? All you have to do is just come here. As you can see, this is how to earn points right showing on the screen. This is how to earn points. So these are the things that you need to do to get these points. These are the things that you need to gather on this particular platform to get points, so you can go ahead and get your account started right on this platform, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now don't forget, the first step you need to do is to click on the link that is in the screen of the video, take it to my Telegram channel. Do not forget to join, because I drop further updates and information that you need to know concerning any account that I drop on YouTube. After joining the channel, then you can now go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to the interface where you have to create an account with them. Do not forget, all you have to do is just click on sign up, put in your email and your password. Then you click on sign up. You can go ahead and put in the code to verify your email. Then after that, it will bring you right to the interface. Now the first step you are going to do is to complete your profile. Then after getting to your home page, go ahead and click on leaderboard, scroll down until you see reward roadmap, as you can see. Then click on view all 13 reward, scroll down, then you see get free trade 525 select account. Do not forget, you have to unlock 1750 points to get this particular account. Now these are the points that you need to earn. Now this is basically all you need to know concerning this particular account. Now to claiming the $25 no deposit bonus account, this is what you'll be doing. As you can see right showing on the screen, the first thing you want to do right here is to register an account with them. And these are the details that you'll be needing to register an account with them. Now, all you have to do is just fill in these required details right here. And you type the word above this word right here. Then after that, you click on continue. So this is me after I filled in the details. I registered an account with them. The next thing you are going to do now is to get the confirmation pin that has been sent to your email. Then you come back here and enter the pin. Then you click on continue. Alright, so this is the email I got from them. Just in case you are not getting your code in your normal inbox, please do well to check your spam for your own confirmation pin. Do not forget, check your spam. If you are not getting the message in your inbox, your primary inbox, do well to check your spam for your confirmation link. Me after I've clicked on continue right showing on the screen. So I'm just going to wait for this to patiently load, and you can head to where we are going to be getting the account started. Now showing on the screen, as you can see, your account has not yet been verified. Now to get this particular account, you have to do your verification process. You have to do your KYC. Now to verify, all you have to do is just click right here. You can click on here to see what's missing. To get, you can go ahead and click on what it is that you want to upload right showing on the screen, because you will not be able to activate your 25 no deposit bonus account without doing verification. Now you're going to select what you want to upload: your ID, your passport, proof of address, and your selfie. So you're going to click on select type. You can now go ahead and put in the document number. Select the document number, the country of issue, as you can see right showing on the screen. You put in your country where you issued your card. Then you can now go ahead and upload the document that you need to upload. And after that, you go ahead, as you can see right, it's showing pending. So you go ahead and click on proof of address. This is how you will do your verification. Now you can go ahead and click in bank statement or utility bills, anyone. You can go ahead, put in the necessary details that is required of you. And after that, you can now go ahead and upload the file that you need. That's your proof of address. Now showing on the screen, as you can see, the profile has been verified. This is how it will look like once you have verified your account. Now going into the next step, the next thing you want to do now is to get your $25 no deposit bonus account activated after you've verified your necessary details. Once you upload the necessary documents, the verification might take at least 24 hours, at most 24 hours rather. So do well to have it in mind that once you verify your account, once you upload the necessary documents, you might have to wait for 24 hours for your verification to process, for your profile to get verified. So, or you can be lucky and it will take more than that. It won't take up to that. So, but just have it in mind that 24 hours at most, your account would have already been verified. Now, they will also be sending you an email once your account has been verified. So you can just watch out for the email that they'll be sending to you. Now, once the email has been, your profile has been verified, all you have to do is just come right here to your dashboard and click on Open Live Account. If you can't find the Open Live Account, click on the menu button. You'll find your live account right there. Now, once you click on Open Live Account, you'll be seeing account category. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the account category. Now, the one we are going to be clicking on is the Webby bonus promotion, right showing on the screen. Webby bonus promotion. Once you click on the Webby bonus promotion, this is where you have MT5 $25 no deposit bonus account and the MT5 standard 500% accounts. Definitely we are clicking on the $25 no deposit bonus account, our MT5 account, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to tap on the MT5 $25 no deposit bonus account. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to those details right showing on the screen. As you can see, you'll be using your MetaTrader 5 to trade this particular account, and the bonus type is credits non-withdrawable. It means that you are not going to be withdrawing the bonus itself. You are only going to be withdrawing the profit, as you can see right showing on the screen. That's the bonus type, and the maximum leverage is 1:500. 1:500. Now, this is how you be trading this particular account. Now, the terms and conditions required to get this particular account withdrawal is your minimum lot size that is required is 5 lots, and I'm going to be trading gold symbol only. As you can see right showing on the screen, the 5 lot is gold symbol only. Then the minimum round turn trade, as you can see, is 5 trades. Then the maximum profit withdrawal that you need to make on this particular account is $50, and as you can see, it's saying once. Then the minimum withdrawal amount is $50. The bonus expires in 30 days and the stop out level is 30%. Now, showing on the screen, these are the things that are not allowed on this particular account. Now, trading with bots is not allowed. You can't use bot to trade. You can't auto trade. You can't use automated trading on this particular account. Now, scalping is also not allowed. You cannot open different lot size. You cannot open too many lot size at once on this particular account. Edging is not also allowed. VPN proxy is not allowed on this platform. Now, once you get your login details, all you have to do is just head to your MetaTrader 5. As you can see right showing on the screen, the server is Webby Market Live. Put in your login details, that you can now go ahead and sign in to get your account started. Now, do not forget your terms and conditions required to make withdrawals. And as you can see right showing on the screen, I've been able to get my account and I've already started trading this particular account right showing on the screen. And I hope you are able to get yours as well. You can do how to send me a proof when you are able to get this particular account right showing on the screen. So basically, this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. Or if you have any question, do how to drop it in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel so you don't miss out on any updates on how you can make money online, free forex no deposit bonuses, free friend account, profit account, and how you can get started. And also do not forget to share this video, push out the video so that other traders can get an opportunity for them to get this particular account. See you in my next video. Bye.